All right, we're going to show you this camper real quick for sale. 2012 Flagstaff by Forest River M.a.c. Here's your model number, BR28TSC. This is the front of it. We're going to take a walk around this thing real quick. I'm going to show you the front, the trailer. Solid metal. You got your tie downs here, some up there. Got tie downs underneath this wood right there. These come off as ramps, so you take them off, take the sides off via these pins. Park four-wheelers and park golf carts, whatever. Around here you can see the top motorized. It works so you don't have to crank it. Propane bottles, I need to get those filled. Again, ramp on this side too. Two ramps. Have on this side, you have your electric coming out, 30 amp. One goes to electricity for the AC. One goes to shore power. Seeing out here, we have some outdoor features. Washing off your four-wheelers or whatever. Have a hose that works on this side and the other side. Take that hose around there. Your hot water heater vent is there, so you have a hot water heater in there. Storage here, tools that I'll give you that help set this thing up. I use the electric drill for the stabilization jacks. Two on the front. And then two on the back. See the other one over there. Outdoor here, you have your water hookup. Don't hook up without that little piece. Have your vents coming out here. This is where your kitchen drain comes out. You can hook a hose up that goes to your sewer. I just have a bucket since I'm in my driveway. Have outdoor shower with hot and cold water. You can shower outdoors with. Wash your kids off. Underneath here, you can see wood's in really good shape. All your brackets are there. Spare tire. You can see that on this side, the whole thing. Canvas has no holes, is in extremely good shape. I keep it under cover when it's not used. Keep it closed up and under cover when it's not used. See, canvas is in shape. I have this thing set up so if you want to come see it, you can walk right into it. The awning out here. You have poles that come out. These roll up. They're stored there while driving down the road. Up front here you have 110 electricity. You can bring that hose from the other side. There's another garden hose here. Outdoor table that comes off real easy. You have a 20-gallon freshwater tank. Fill there. You can see this thing is high profile with rather aggressive tires on it. Here's where your shower drains out of. Again, you can hook a hose up to it or just put a bucket down. That's usually what I do. Canvas there. Canvas through here. Canvas back here and up here. No holes anywhere. This thing has no leaks. We've been in torrential downpours and I've had no leaks. You sleep really well in torrential downpours because you hear the rain going in. Have your kitchen. Propane stove. Hot and cold water for your sink. Refrigerator. There's your heater. Controls for your heater. full-size bed with a heated mattress, curtains that close on each side, bar separates it out. Everything's in really good shape, no holes in the canvas. Storage here, 110. Both sides storage. Over here we have the kitchen table. Turn it to a bed here in a second. Over the kitchen table, there's your lights. Lights over here. These work, smoke detectors. Light will plug in over there as well. Over here. See, hot water heater. See, this is a table. You have storage here that goes all the way outside, accessible through this as well. Turn this down, show you that this is a bed. Full-size bed there that'll sleep two. Over here, by the front door, have more storage. Another 110. We put a TV in here for the kids. The kids will watch TV. It does have cable hookouts on the outside for a TV. Here's your shower with hot and cold running water. Take showers in here, take many showers in here. We do have a shower curtain that wraps around. Guess that decided to close. Toilet. Your toilet is self-contained, so you'll have to pull this out. It's real light. Just go dump it in the toilet. Go dump it in the RV hookups. Real simple. Dumps through that tube right there. Real easy. This is a queen size bed. It's heated as well. We put this on it because I have a bad back and I just need more comfort. Bar's in shape. Canvas is all in good shape. See, canvas is in good shape all the way around. No holes, no leaks. Looking at the ceiling. No stains. Freeze you out at night, and the heater will melt you as well. We have a vent, a fan comes on, vents this thing back up, lock it back to the front door. One last look around. Sleep 6 comfortably. Everything works. It's a good little camper. It's clean. Great for families that like to camp without having to have a giant camper. A little more than a tent, but we've had a lot of fun with it. If you have any questions or want to say anything else, just contact me. I'll be glad to show you.